Let's talk weather tonight. Scott Padgett, I did not forget that the heat advisory we have endured the last few days expired tonight. So I want to make sure it's still expired, and will it feel a little bit better tomorrow?
It will feel slightly better tomorrow. Still will feel like the triple digits, Doug, but going into the weekend, our temperatures will come down just a little bit. Wanted to show you the time lapse, though, from our Fort Worth sky cam, catching those strong to severe storms late in the afternoon hours as we had outflow boundaries come together. That allowed those storms to really develop, and then they did not move quickly. Look at all the heavy rain that was falling through downtown Fort Worth. At some point, a little bit of small hail also being reported as we then went into the 7 to 8 o'clock time frame. Those storms made their way down to the southeast and dissipated, and we saw a nice sunset from our Fort Worth sky cam. So we did see that thunderstorm activity really develop. Right now, looking at the radar, we still have some rain in Grayson County, a little bit of rain in parts of Palo Pinto County. But I want to go ahead and back up the radar and show you that we saw these outflow boundaries. So it's wind that's coming down and out towards the surface and going out as there are thunderstorms that kind of collapse. But when they come together, watch these thin green lines. You'll see as we start there, see those two thin green lines that come together? That's outflow boundaries. And so when they met, that provided enough lift for those storms to get going, and then they reached the severe limits, dropped 1 to 2 inches of rain in parts of Tarrant County and Ellis County. Also had winds gusting up to near 60 miles per hour, causing some damage in Ellis County as well as Tarrant County. High temperatures for today. We did see temperatures in the mid-90s, almost every single reporting station. You're thinking, well, that's not too bad, but it felt like 107 to 109 in some spots because of the dew points in the upper 70s. DFW right now we're sitting at 80 degrees, winds out of the north-northwest at 6, dew point still in the mid-70s. Saw a whole lot of rain because of those storms, and overnight tonight it's going to be a muggy night down into the mid to the upper 70s. Going into tomorrow, we have another outflow boundary coming out of Oklahoma, so as that works its way through, could provide enough lift for some more storms to develop going into tomorrow afternoon. Hour by hour tomorrow, we start out again by then at 7 in the morning, 81 degrees up to 98, which is warmer than today, but the dew point coming down, so it'll only feel like 102. Dew point this morning or at noon, 79 degrees, highest recorded dew point since 2017. And then as you take a look going into the weekend, into tomorrow, those dew points down into the 60s. That's why it feels better. And speaking of the holiday weekend for us, we'll see 97 on Saturday, rain chances 30%. Sunday into Monday, rain chances at 20%, mid-90s. We cool down to 93 by Tuesday, and then we dry out, then we heat up. 97 Thursday, by next Friday, possibly near 100. You're watching CBS 11 News, the ones for Texas weather. We'll be right back.